People don't want to be sold, they want to be invited. In 1997, Apple rolled out its famous Think Different campaign, anchored by an ad honoring some of history's biggest names for being crazy enough to think they could change the world, then prompting viewers to be like them and think different. Now, you'd think that a company with only 90 days left to live, as Apple was said to have at that time, would be a little less artistic and talk about how great their products are so they could drive sales. But instead, they invited people to be different, to be great. And there was the Mac ready to serve as the tool that would get them there. And what Apple understood and still understands that most miss is that people don't want to be sold, they want to be invited. So as you look to market your product or service, the question is not what makes this product great or how is our company making a difference. That's not going to interest people in the same way as talking about their deeply rooted desires. People want to be great. People want to make a difference. People want to be the best version of themselves. Your job is to invite and empower them to do that, positioning your product or service as the tool they need to get there.